Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings with Win+I and navigating to Accounts, Sign-in Options. This is where lock behavior is defined. Create or confirm a PIN or Windows Hello method so lock is practical and secure. Once done, set Require sign-in to when PC wakes or always, depending on how strict you want access control. This prevents unintended access after sleep or timeout. Make sure you have administrative rights because some options require them. If not, ask your admin before proceeding. Next, adjust how quickly the screen locks by going to System and Power and Battery, then set the display and sleep timers to short intervals so the lock triggers fast. You can enable Dynamic Lock, pair your phone via Bluetooth, and Windows will lock when the paired device is out of range, adding convenience and security. Additionally, configure a screensaver that requires sign-in after a few idle minutes. This works well when you need a very small idle window. Make sure Bluetooth drivers are up to date for reliability. Finally, test the configuration. Press Win+L to lock instantly and confirm the sign-in screen appears. This verifies your settings. You can also use Start Your Account icon lock to simulate a user action. Once tested, adjust timers if the lock is too aggressive or too lenient. If locking fails, check group policy settings for interactive logon, disable fast startup briefly, and update keyboard or Bluetooth drivers as needed. If problems persist, reboot and retest to apply changes and clear transient issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.